In today's data-driven world, businesses are inundated with information. Raw data can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. This is where data visualization comes in. It transforms complex data into easy-to-understand visuals. Charts, graphs, and dashboards bring data to life. They reveal patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise remain hidden. Data visualization is crucial for effective decision-making. It empowers businesses to track performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed choices. Instead of sifting through spreadsheets, decision-makers can quickly grasp key metrics at a glance. This allows for agile responses to changing market conditions and customer needs. Imagine a business owner trying to understand their sales figures. A spreadsheet with thousands of rows and columns would be confusing, but a simple line chart showing sales trends over time would instantly provide clarity. This is the power of data visualization. It turns data into actionable intelligence. From sales and marketing to customer analytics and operations, data visualization plays a vital role in every aspect of modern business. It empowers teams to work smarter, not harder, by providing the insights they need to make data-driven decisions. Sales teams rely on data to track performance, identify opportunities, and optimize strategies. Sales dashboards are essential tools that provide a comprehensive view of sales operations. They consolidate data from various sources into a single interactive platform. A typical sales dashboard might include metrics like total revenue, sales growth, average deal size, and conversion rates. By visualizing these KPIs, sales managers can quickly assess team performance. They can identify top performers, areas where sales reps might be struggling, and opportunities for improvement. For instance, a sudden dip in sales conversion rates could indicate a problem with the sales process. Armed with this insight, the sales manager can investigate further. They might uncover that a recent product update has led to customer confusion. This allows for timely intervention and course correction. Sales dashboards also facilitate data-driven forecasting and goal setting. By analyzing historical trends and current performance, sales managers can set realistic targets. They can also track progress towards these goals and make adjustments as needed. This iterative approach to sales management leads to more accurate forecasts and improved outcomes. Marketing campaigns generate vast amounts of data. From website traffic and social media engagement to email open rates and conversion rates, there are numerous metrics to track. Data visualization helps marketers make sense of this data deluge. It allows them to measure campaign effectiveness, optimize spending, and demonstrate ROI. Marketing dashboards provide a centralized view of key marketing metrics. They allow marketers to track the performance of different channels, campaigns, and content assets. For example, a social media dashboard might show engagement rates, reach, and follower growth for different platforms. By visualizing this data, marketers can identify which channels and campaigns are driving the most conversions. They can then adjust their strategies accordingly, allocating more resources to high-performing channels and optimizing or discontinuing underperforming ones. Data visualization also plays a crucial role in A/B testing. Marketers can use charts and graphs to compare the performance of different versions of marketing materials. This data-driven approach eliminates guesswork and ensures that marketing messages resonate with the target audience. Section 4. Understanding customers' data visualization in action. In today's customer-centric business landscape, understanding customer behavior is paramount. Data visualization empowers businesses to gain deeper insights into their customers, personalize their experiences, and build lasting relationships. Customer analytics dashboards bring together data from various touchpoints. This includes website browsing history, purchase history, customer support interactions, and social media activity. By visualizing this data, businesses can identify patterns and trends in customer behavior. For example, a business might discover that customers who purchase a particular product are also likely to be interested in a complementary product. This insight can be used to create targeted marketing campaigns and product recommendations, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Data visualization also helps businesses identify customer segments. By analyzing demographics, purchase history, and other variables, businesses can group customers with similar characteristics. This allows for more effective targeting and personalization. Section 5. Conclusion. Making informed decisions with data visualization. Data visualization is an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. By transforming raw data into meaningful visuals, it empowers decision makers at all levels. From tracking sales performance and measuring marketing ROI to understanding customer behavior, data visualization unlocks valuable insights that drive better business outcomes. The key is to choose the right visualizations for the task at hand. Different types of charts and graphs are better suited for displaying different types of data. For example, line charts are ideal for showing trends over time, while bar charts are effective for comparing different categories. By embracing data visualization, businesses can move beyond intuition and gut feeling. They can make informed decisions based on concrete data, leading to improved efficiency, profitability, and customer satisfaction. In today's competitive market, data visualization is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity.